I just got 8. Ow!
Oh
Man, getting fucked up today. Picking it up.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's just let's see, 3 and 3. I think we have 7 of these to pick up and 1 speed limit.
Okay. Let's smack that.
Smack that till you get so.
All on the floor. Ow!
Oh my god!
Oh,
Hold on, try it again. It was a love tap.
Oh my god!
The one time I don't got my gloves on.
Yeah. You okay?
no. No?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Kill you?
It's good. Let's drag this hole across. I know, that's what I'm saying. The one time I don't got my gloves on.
Yeah, man, what are they doing?
It's in there.
Like an old comedy show, but it's like a
Oh, shoot. I just got 8.
Oh shit, you really sinkhole?
I literally just fell into a sinkhole.
I couldn't even figure out what the hell just happened.
Yeah, I went like this, look. I'm like, what just happened? Man, getting fucked up today.
Get out of here.
I can't get out of here.